I'm Nicole from the food blog Fresh Apron, where I share simple recipes using a lot of seasonally fresh ingredients. Today I'm cooking with Mowi salmon, and I'm making my mom's salmon pie. You're going to want to add the salmon and potato pie to your Mother's Day menu. It's inspired by a salmon pie my mom used to make when I was growing up, but a little more fresh and still easy to make. Simple, cozy, and something we'd all sit down and share together. I'm using the Mowi Atlantic Salmon 30-ounce side. For a recipe like this, the quality really matters. It's always fresh, cooks evenly, and flakes perfectly, which is exactly what you want here. Place it on a foil-lined baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. While that cooks, peel and chop your potatoes. Add them to a pot of water, slowly bring to a boil, and cook until fork tender. Drain the potatoes, then mash them with butter, sour cream, salt, and pepper. Add in a little milk and keep mashing until smooth. And of course, salmon and potatoes pair perfectly with fresh herbs, so here's where I'm changing my mom's recipe. Chop some fresh dill and chives, then zest a lemon. Add some fresh lemon juice to the potatoes, as well as the lemon zest, chopped dill, and chives. Stir everything together until combined. Once the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork, remove the skin and add the salmon into a large bowl. Using a fork, gently flake it into smaller pieces. Add the mashed potatoes and gently mix everything together. Now for the pie. Roll out your pie crust and press it into a deep pie dish. Trim the edges as needed, then add the filling. Top with the second crust and trim off any extra. Seal and crimp the edges. You're going to want to brush the top with an egg wash so it bakes up nice and golden. Then cut a few small vents in the top to let out steam while it bakes. Bake at 425 for 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice it and serve it. I like to finish it with a small dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh dill. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for sharing. So if you're looking for something a little different for Mother's Day, this is such a good one to make. The best meals are the ones that bring everyone to the table. Mom's going to love this one.